Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to auto-sort data alphabetically in Google Sheets with formula. Normally in Google Sheets, you can apply the sort feature to sort data alphabetically manually, but sometimes you may want to sort the data automatically in a column. For example, if there are some changes or new data added in column A, the data will be sorted automatically. Uh, how could you achieve this job in Google Sheets? To sort the data alphabetically in a column automatically, please do as follows. Enter the following formula into a blank cell where you want to locate the sort result. Type sort, press tab. For the range, enter A2 colon B. A2 colon B is the data range that you want to sort, comma. For the sort column, uh, enter 1. The number 1 indicates the column number that you want to sort data based on, and you can change them to your need, comma. For the is ascending, we want to sort our data in ascending order, so we will type true, close the bracket, and press the enter key. The specific data have been sorted in ascending order, as you can see. And if you want to sort the data in descending order, please use the following formula. Type sort, press tab. For the range, enter A2 colon B, comma. For the sort column, type 1, comma. For this ascending, type false, close the bracket, press enter. As you can see, the data is sorted in descending order, and from now on, when you enter new data or change the data in the column A, the data will be sorted automatically. As you can see, or change the name to you can see the data will be sorted automatically. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.